Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare tangy dal with lots of green leafy vegetables. Now, I don't exactly know the name of these leafy vegetable, but it's something that is locally produced and I got in a nearby store. We'll separate the leaves and rinse this really well to remove any dirt or dust that may be there. You can rinse it 2 to 3 times or until you get clean water. Here I am allowing the excess water to drain out and will start roughly chopping it. As I will be adding it in my dal and will be boiling it, I don't need to finely chop these. Here I have roughly chopped green leafy vegetables ready. Here I am taking moong dal and will wash it for 3 to 4 times. We'll transfer the green leafy vegetables in the pressure cooker. We'll add the dal, required quantity of water, salt as per taste, and pinch of turmeric powder. Now we need to pressure cook it just like how we will cook our regular dals. I am cooking it for 2 whistles in medium flame. Allow it to cool down and this is how the dal looks. Now I am preparing a tadka for it, heating up some oil, adding pinch of jeera, green chilies, and pinch of red chili powder for some added color. We'll add the tadka in the dal and mix this well. And here is our very simple tangy dal all ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.